Welcome to another episode of Beef Quick Tips. Today we're going to look at the for loop in Beef. Well, it is generally the same as it is in every other language, meaning you have the basic for loop with the int I equals 0, I smaller than count I++. That works like in any other language, like you would expect it to work. However, there's also a shorthand way of writing it, which is if you write int, then the name of the variable is smaller than the name of the other variable. That works fine. So you could do for int I is smaller than count. This just interprets the plus in there as well, and it's just an easier and shorter way of writing this. Then there's for each. Technically, you can use for each in Beef. However, it's generally intended to use a normal for instead of each, because for already shows the thing that you want to do with the code good enough, so you don't really need for each. The only reason why for each actually works is because if you want to copy some C# code over, you can just copy and paste it without it actually throwing a full-time runtime error. However, when you're programming, you're still supposed to use for, and the syntax is the same as you would do with for each. So yes, you can write for int I in container x whatever. Also, if you want to create a for each for our own class, you can do that. If you have the class implement the interface IEnumerator of type int or type t or whatever you want to have, then you have to implement the getNext class, and that makes you able to iterate over that with a for, or basically a for each. I wish all of you happy holidays and a nice Christmas and a happy new year. If you liked it, maybe consider subscribing and liking the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.